Hello everyone, welcome to IAS. It is an established fact that anthropology is one of the most preferred choice of optional subjects for many UPSC aspirants, isn't it? But do you know what exactly does the word anthropology means? Yes, in this video, let us try to have a look at what is anthropology. Etymologically speaking, anthropology is made up of two Greek words. One is anthropos, other one is logos. The word anthropos means man or human being, and the word logos means systematic study. So, in a combined fashion, anthropology can be defined as a systematic and scientific study of man in time and space. And my next question to you is that do you know who introduced the word anthropology for the first time? Check the comment box for the answer. And if you know the answer already, just post your answer in the comment section. Thank you, all of you.